What's up and welcome to Gift from BA channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to make $500 per day as a broke individual working in 2020. 7 ways to make $30 fast in 2020. I'll just be talking about those 7 ways on how to make that fast, $30 fast. There are many ways people want or need to make money quickly. Luckily, there are few options to do so. I can't tell you how much my life has changed since I found the blessed world of side hustling. Side hustling is often the key to making money fast, and you can make $30 fast once you learn the ropes. My primary source of side hustle income has been freelance writing, and because it's a gift of mine, I earn more per hour at it than my husband earns per hour in this job. As an engineer technician, however, side hustling is just one option for making money online. These 7 ways to make a small amount of money in a short amount of time will give you a taste of what the side hustling world is all about. Of course, you use several of these ideas mentioned here, you could easily make $50 to $100 or more in a single day. In this article, top ways to make a quick $30. Number 1, start with earning inbox dollars. Number 2, sign up for Abotta. Number 3, take surveys. Number 4, use Rakuten when you shop. Number 5, sell your stuff. Number 6, do your side hustle. Number 7, do a gig or event on Craigslist or a similar site. The bottom line, top ways to make a quick $30. But for now, here are 7 ways you can make $30 or $50 pretty quickly. Start with earning inbox dollars. Inbox dollars is a site that will pay you for many tasks, including taking surveys. Right now, they have a $5 cash bonus for signing up with them. Some tasks that they pay for include taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, searching the web, downloading apps. As you complete the offers that appeal to you, your cash balances grows, and you can cash out with PayPal or a gift card to your favorite store, along with the ways listed above to earn money fast with inbox dollars. You can also make some decent amount of money in 2 or more ways by taking advantage of the sign up bonus and referring friends to sign up. When you share your referral code to friends and those friends sign up for their own inbox dollars account, inbox dollars will pay you 10% bonus on all of your friends' earnings. So, if your friends earns $100 in qualified earnings, you'll get an automatic $10 deposited into your inbox account. Inbox dollars is a great way for making money when you are waiting for a class to start, to be called in for an appointment, or just sitting around with not much to do. Since the things they pay you to do are often super quick and easy, you can spend a few minutes here and there and start earning cash. If you get good at sharing the benefits of inbox dollars with others in a way that makes them see the money making potential and sign up, you can develop some truly passive income. Abotta is relatively new to me. I signed up for it as a way to do research for this Abotta review. I wrote, I'm not always a fan of some of these types of rewards programs, as I often find them cumbersome and time consuming. Like you, I'm busy and I need to find passive income, earning streams that pay me a worthy wage when I convert effort time into hourly wage. Abotta helps you earn money by finding money saving offers for you on things you buy. As your money savings accumulate, you can ask for your Abotta balance to be transferred to your PayPal or similar account, getting your cash on the spot. Luckily, Abotta has several things going for it. First, the Abotta smartphone app is super easy to use. When you sign up, you'll be asked to choose the stores you shop at most often. I bought a list of over over 300 different stores, and over $500, no, over 500,000 stores locations. Means you will likely find at least some of your favorite stores on their list. As you choose your favorite stores, offers for cash, rebates on different purchases start pouring in. When I made my first browse through the offers, there were coupons for chips, ice cream, and crackers. All things which I had planned on buying for our New Year celebration. My first shopping trip using Abotta found me saving over $8 on groceries alone, and I had a super small shopping list. But what really got me excited about Abotta was the $10 sign up bonus they were promoting when I signed up. To add the fuel to the fire, Abotta frequently gives you $2 to $3 and higher just because bonus boosts as well. Want to earn even more with Abotta in a super short period of time? Abotta will give you $5 for each person you get to sign up with the referral code. The $5 gets credited to your account as soon as your referred person makes a qualified purchase with Abotta. Between the sign up bonuses, your own personal cash savings, the referrals earnings, you could easily make $30 or more in just one day. There are several companies that will also pay you to take surveys. The nice thing about these types of money making opportunity is that you can earn money even when you have a few minutes to spare at a time, because most surveys are relatively short. You can earn money for a few minutes, go on to do other things, and come back again and earn more cash. Not all survey companies are the same. However, it's important to do your research to find out which companies have the highest payout rate and the best reputation. One of our favorite survey companies is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie has high reviews on many review websites and a reputation for being one of the higher paying survey sites out there. Others you may want to consider include Swagbucks, Vendel Research. Note that you will have to put in some serious time and effort to make $30 or more taking surveys. But if you are committed to putting in the work, the cash can add up somewhat quickly. Use Rakuten when you shop. Rakuten helps you make money by giving you cash back rebates when you make purchases at your favorite stores. Here's how it works. You start by signing up for a Rakuten account. Don't worry, it's free to join. By the way, as of this, Rakuten is currently offering a 10 sign-up bonus to those who make a qualifying minimum shopping purchase of $25 or more within their first year of sign-up. The key to earning your cash back rebates through Rakuten is to be sure you access the stores you want to shop online at through the Rakuten portal. As you shop, you get a rebate from Rakuten. They give you a certain cashback percentage depending on which store you're shopping at. For instance, if you shop at Walmart, you'll earn a 1% cashback bonus. If you shop at Kohl's, you'll earn a 3% cashback bonus. Specialty stores can have a higher rebate amount. Your masses purchases qualify $6 cashback rebate. And Barnes and Noble's is currently offering 10% cashback rebate through Rakuten. I've seen rebates as high as 40% on the site, which features cashback offers from over 1,800 stores. But with most of the popular stores, Walmart, Amazon, Target, etc., you get rebates from between $1 to 10%. Cashback rebates are sent quarterly. As long as you've earned at least $5 in rebates, Rakuten will send your earnings via PayPal or through the mail or check at your home, whichever method you wish. That was all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because I'll be uploading a video each and every day. Thank you.